Hello friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Rasayan Setu. In today's video, we can solve the solid state question which is coming in CSIR NET December 2018 and June 2018 exam. Okay friends, so let's start. This is our first question which is coming in December 2018 exam and came for 2 marks. The question says in a cubic crystal, the 111 plane and 222 plane reflections are observed but not the 001 reflection. The bravest lattice is, the options are BCC, FCC, simple cubic and side center cubic. Okay, so as you see in the solution friends, we know the selection rule for X-ray analysis of crystalline solids are simple cubic. The any value of HKL shows diffraction line, means if the value is 0, 1, 2 or any other, all the values show diffraction line on X-ray analysis. But for BCC unit, the sum of H, K and L values should be even. If the sum of H, K, L should be even, then it show diffraction lines. And for FCC, the selection rule says that all HKLR should be odd or all HKR should be even. If this condition satisfy, then the crystal or Bevel lattice should be FCC. As you see in the given in question, given condition is 111 and 222 reflection. So we see that 111 all are odd and 222 all are even. So this condition is for FCC Bravey lattice. So the right answer should be FCC. Okay friends, now we should move to next question. Friends, this is your next question which is came for 2 marks in December 2018 exam. The question says a metal crystallizes with cubic close pack structure. Okay, it means the crystal type is cubic close pack. The value of sin square theta of break reflection of Miller planes 200 and 111 are 0.18 and 0.14 respectively. The unit cell length is, option number 1 is lambda by 2, option number 2 is lambda by 0.2, 3 lambda by 0.4 and 4th option is 0.4 lambda. Okay guys, so let's start this solution. Okay friends, according to question we must find the value of A, that is edge length. Okay, so here we use Break's law, and you all know that the Break's law is n lambda is equals to 2d sin theta, and the value of d, that is interplanar distance, is A upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. Okay, so put the value of d in the Break's equation, that is n lambda is equals to 2 in bracket A upon root h square plus k square plus l square sin theta. Okay, so when we take square of this equation in both sides, we get n square lambda square is equals to 4 square upon h square plus k square plus l square sin square theta. Okay, now we arrange this equation, we get the value of sin square theta, that is n square lambda square upon 4a square h square plus k square plus l square. Okay, so in question you see that we have two planes, so we can use one of any these planes for our answer. Okay, so let we use the plane 200. Okay, and you also know that when you don't have any value of n in question, so assume that value of n will be 1. Okay, so put all the values in above equation. So we get sin square theta value is 0.18, which is given in your question. Okay, lambda square upon 4 square, and the value of HKL is 200, because in question for 200 plane value of sin square theta is 0.18. And now when you solve all these equation, you get the value of A, that is under root lambda square upon 0.18 is nearly equal to 0.14, because point under root of 0.18 is nearly equals to 0.4. So your last so your answer is option number 3. Okay friends, understand. Now we move into next question. So friends, This is another question which is coming in June 2018 exam and for 2 marks. And the question says if all the lattice points of an FCC structure are occupied by uniform hard sphere that touch each other, the fraction of volume occupied is. It means you give FCC structure, okay, and you have 4 options, that is root 2 pi by 6, root 3 pi by 6, pi by 6 and 2 pi by 6, okay. So here is the solution. In solution, you know that in a FCC structure the number of atoms is each unit cell is 4. We all know how did it find, how does it find it, okay. And we know the packing fraction formula is z into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube. So and the value of r is root 2 a by 4 in the case of FCC structure, okay. So now put all the values in the formula of packing fraction, and this is the calculation for your answer. And when you calculate all these calculation, then your packing fraction should be root 2 pi by 6 or pi upon 3 root 2. That is option number 1. So option number 1 is your answer. And I also show you that as root 2 pi by 6 is the packing fraction for FCC structure, you see that here pi by 6 is the packing fraction for simple cubic, and root 3 pi by 8 is the packing fraction for BCC, okay. So you also note that these values, okay friends. So we move. So friends, this is another question came for 4 marks in June 2018 exam, and it is a different type of question, not a difficult but different type of. And this type of question I thought that is very helpful for your concept develop as well as for exams, okay. So the question says that the 002 plane of an elemental FCC crystal diffract X-ray. Lambda value given is 0.154 nanometer at Brake's angle 90 degree, okay. The density of the crystal is 4 into 10 ki power 4 kilogram per meter cube. The atomic weight of the elemental solid is, okay friends. So here you should find the atomic weight of the elemental solid, okay. And this atomic weight is found through your density. This formula I show you in given figure. This formula used for find the element atomic weight, that is m. As you see in formula that density is given, which is 4 into 10 ki power 4 kilogram per meter cube, okay. Z you know that is in FCC the value of Z is 4, and you should find the value of A, okay, because Na is your Avogadro number. And for finding A, you should use the Brake's law. How? So we know the Brake's law, n lambda is equals to 2d sin theta. Here n, you should assume that n is equals to 1 because its value doesn't given your question. So n is equals to 1 and lambda is equals to 0.154. You should convert it into meter, okay. So we know all that 1 nanometer into 1 nanometer is equals to 10 ki power minus 9 meter. So value is 0.154 into 10 ki power minus 9 is equals to 2d, because the value of theta is 90 and the value of sin 90 degree is equals to 1. So here the value of d we get is 0.77 into 10 ki power minus 9 meter. And as you know the formula of interplanar distance, that is d is equals to a upon under root h square plus k square plus l square. So put all the values in this formula. So the value of d we get is 0.77 into 10 ki power minus 9, a we should find, and the value of HKL is 002 as you see in your question, okay. So here the value of a after calculation you get is 0.154 into 10 ki power minus 9 meter. So put all the values in your formula of density, that is 4 into 10 की power 4 into 10 की power 3 gram per centimeter cube given density. Okay, yeah. Why we use 10 की power 3? Because it convert into gram, and for convert into gram, because you give density in kilogram, so we multiply 10 की power 3. Okay, and 4 is the value of Z in FCC crystal, you know all that value of Z is 4, and M we should find, and the value of A cube, A is 0.15 into 10 की power minus 4. Okay, uh, and value of N is 6.022 into, that is Avogadro number, and after all the calculation you get the value, that is 21.99 is nearly equal to 22. So the atomic weight is 22. That is your option number A. Okay friends. Okay friends, so uh, this is your question coming in December and June 2018 exam, and thank you friends, thank you for watching.